going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get free Litecoin, free crypto every single hour. It is easy to do. I'm going to show you how you do it. So here it is. I'm going to kind of scroll down. There's different levels to this, and by each level you'll see how much you can make per hour. So I'll show you a little bit later how to move to the next level, but all you have to do is basically scroll down to I'm a human, so you can actually claim the reward. So let me scroll down here. I'm a human. Then I'll do the captcha. So let me just finish doing this real quick. Then when I'm done, I'll verify and I'll click claim. And you see there's success. The Litecoin came in my wallet. Well, came into my account, and now the timer goes down to the next hour. So it's just like that. Very simple. So the way you can actually get more crypto or more Litecoin is by playing these different games. This is one of the easiest ways that I do it. One of my favorite games, just personal choice, is the Wheel of Fortune. So you'll see here how much crypto I have at the top. So when I play this game, I have an opportunity to kind of like double that or something like that. So you have to bet a small amount and you just spin the wheel. And you can get zero, but I'll just spin the wheel here. See how much I get. See, I got times 1.5. So you see where my Litecoin went up. So that's how you get more and more. You do have to move to the next level, but if you just continue to do this, every now and then, just whenever you have time on the app, you will find that you can move to the next level. As far as withdrawing, you only need 0.005 Litecoin in order to do that. You just put in your Litecoin address, the amount. You'll have to pay a transaction fee, but it's just that simple, and you will be paid. I've been paid by them, I think, just once, but it came to my wallet. It wasn't any issue with it. So that's how you do that. Like I said, there are levels, and when it comes to how much you can make, you see there the target. In order for me to move to the next level, I have to get 0.02, and then I can move to the next level. But you see there how much I've wagered. So you have to basically wager enough to move to the next target. It's kind of difficult, but if you just keep using it, basically once you get 0.02 Litecoin, you'll move to the next level, and then that's the amount you can get per hour. So once I get to that, I'll be making double what I'm making now per hour, and the countdown continues to go down. So you can literally do this every hour. You can make more just by playing games. If you want, you can do some surveys, some offers, whatever it is, to really, get you more per hour, to the point where you're making a good amount of Litecoin every single day just by going in here and claiming it. So I'll leave the link to sign up with this app. It is completely free. You do not have to deposit any crypto, any of your real money. Completely free to use. You just go in there and just start claiming free crypto. Just that simple. So click the link in the description, and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.